Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop for 68 years straight, starting in 1922 and lasting until 1990. Imagine enduring an estimated 430 million hiccups in a lifetime. It all began after a farm accident when Osborne fell and broke a blood vessel in his brain, triggering the relentless spasms. Despite countless medical consultations and various treatments, the hiccups persisted, profoundly impacting his daily life. Yet, Charles remarkably adapted, continuing to work and raise a family, becoming a living testament to human resilience. His incredible story remains a medical mystery and a testament to the power of perseverance against seemingly insurmountable odds.